Good morning. How are you all? I hope you're doing fine and staying safe at home. So today in this video, we'll discuss our next topic, which is poem. Yes, we'll recite a poem today. And the name of the poem is The Brook. So open your page number 54. The Brook. What do you mean by brook? Do you know the meaning? Okay, let me tell you. Brook means a small stream. एक छोटी सी नदी. Okay? Let's get started. And read after me, okay? I like to watch the merry brook go rippling on its way. It sings me such a happy song all through the summer day. First we'll read and then I'll explain. Next stanza. It tells me tales of many things as on the grass I lie, about the hills from which it came and where it goes and why. And if I had a tiny boat, a sailing I would go and hasten with the brook to join the river deep and slow. So who is the speaker of this poem? A small girl. Look in your book. There is a girl lying on the grass. So she is the speaker of the poem. So what is she saying? She says, I like to watch the merry brook go rippling on its way. It sings me such a happy song all through the summer day. So हमें इससे पता चलता है कि this is a summer day and enjoying the view and she is lying on the grass. और वो किसको देख रही है? एक river को, एक छोटी सी नदी को. I like to watch the merry brook. What do you mean by merry? Merry means happy and full of fun. उसको वो river बहुत happy लगती है क्योंकि वो बहुत खुश सी river है. और go rippling on its way. वो अपनी direction को जा रही है और वो कैसे जा रही है? Ripple करते. What do you mean by rippling? Rippling means flowing by making small waves in the water. हम देखते हैं ना रिवर में वेव्स आती हैं बार बार. सो वो यही बोल रही है गो रिपलिंग ऑन इट्स वे. वो रिपल करते हुए अपनी डायरेक्शन को जा रही है. सो इट्स एंजॉइंग. इट सिंग्स मी सच अ हैप्पी सॉन्ग. सो द गर्ल इज एंजॉइंग द गर्गलिंग साउंड ऑफ द रिवर. उसको वो साउंड में भी ऐसे लग रहा है एज इफ वो एक गाना चल रहा है एंड शी इज एंजॉइंग एज इफ शी इज हियरिंग सम सॉन्ग all through the summer day. उस summer day में she was enjoying all this view. It tells me tales of many things as on the grass I lie. तो ऐसा लग रहा है as if river is telling me some story. वो मुझे एक story सुना रही है. As on the grass I lie. See, I told you that she's lying on the grass. About the hills from which it came. वो किसकी story सुना रही है? Hills की. जिस hill से वो flow करती आ रही है उसके बारे में बता रही है. And where it goes and why. And the river is telling कि मैं कहाँ से आई हूँ and मैं कहाँ को जाऊँगी. मैं कौन सी river की तरफ I am flowing, to what direction I am flowing. तो वो ऐसा लग रहा है कि कौन सी कोई story बता रही है river से. Third stanza. And if I had a tiny boat, a sailing I would go. और वो imagine करती है, वो wish करती है कि अगर मेरे पास एक छोटी सी boat होती तो I would have ridden along with the river. मैं भी साथ में ही river के ride करती on a boat. And hasten with the brook to join the river deep and slow. तो उसको बहुत जल्दी होती है कि जल्दी से मेरे पास एक ship आ जाए और उसमें मैं साथ में ride करके उसी river की तरफ जाऊँ जहाँ पर ये brook flow कर रही है. Now how is she describing the river? The river deep and slow. वो रिवर आराम आराम से जा रही है लेकिन वो रिवर डीप भी है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस पोएम. डिड यू लाइक इट? डू यू वांट मी टू रीड इट वंस अगेन? लेट्स रीड इट वंस अगेन. आई लाइक टू वॉच द मैरी ब्रूक गो रिपलिंग ऑन इट्स वे. इट सिंग्स मी सच अ हैप्पी सॉन्ग ऑल थ्रू द समर डे. It tells me tales of many things as on the grass I lie, about the hills from which it came and where it goes and why. And if I had a tiny boat, a sailing I would go and hasten with the brook to join the river deep and slow. Now let's read the word meaning. Merry. What do you mean by merry? Happy and full of fun. Brook, a small stream. Rippling, I told you, flowing by, making small waves in the water. Hasten, moved hurriedly. So in this poem, the speaker says how she likes watching the brook flow by. उस poem में हमें क्या पता चलता है? That the speaker is telling us कि कैसे उसे अच्छा लगता है कि कैसे वो brook अपनी direction को flow कर रही है towards the river. She imagines it to be her friend who tells her tales of its journey. तो वो river को कैसे imagine कर रही है, वो उस brook को कैसे imagine कर रही है, as if वो मेरी एक friend है जो मुझे journey, अपनी journey के tales के बारे में बता रही है कि मैं कहाँ से आई, कौन से hill से आई, and मैं कौन सी river की तरफ flow कर रही हूँ. Now let's discuss about the rhyming words, okay? Way, day, lie, why, go, slow. So underline these words in your book. These are your rhyming words. So I hope you liked this poem. This was such a short, cute, little poem just like you all. And I hope you like this. So now, don't close your book. Read this poem again and again. Try to understand it. Learn all the word meanings and write the vocabulary, word meanings and question answers in your notebook very neatly. Okay? I know you will do that. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Stay safe.